Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of your Heyday account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday app, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing Heyday, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need is to follow through step-by-step on-screen processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to log out of a Heyday account. Now, from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that and you have these extended options which include edit mode and settings. Click on settings. Now in settings, you have music, sound, language, creative change from name, advanced settings, privacy policy, terms of service, help and support, and you have your Supercell ID. Now I'd like you to know that you cannot log out of Heyday directly in Heyday. You have to log out of Heyday from Supercell ID. So how do you get that done? Go over here and click on settings again, and at the top I have Supercell ID. If you're not connected yet, you're going to see the login button. So click on login and follow through the steps to connect your Supercell ID. So once that has been connected, you can now go ahead and click on Supercell ID. It takes you here. Now at the top left corner, you have the settings wheel. Click on settings wheel and it takes you here. So scroll all the way down and you have the logout option, which is here. Now you see logout, so click on logout, and once you click on logout, you see that you'll be logged out of your Supercell ID account that is integrated into Heyday. So logging out of Supercell ID is logging out of Heyday. So that's pretty much the process. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.